case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The contest over a nightclub and restaurant on the border of Montana and North Dakota sparked a 1988 dispute that ended up in the Montana Supreme Court. This was the backdrop to the case Turbiville v. Hansen, which sought to clarify the responsibilities of an escrow agent. The case began when Miss Turbiville, who bought the restaurant and nightclub from the Hansens, failed to maintain the necessary liquor and beer licenses according to the contract terms, and later sought to sell the business to Mr. Graff. Failure to uphold the terms of the contract led to the Hansens demanding closure of the escrow account, which held the transaction documents and their retrieval from the bank. Despite not being notified of these proceedings as the account holder, Miss Turbiville took the bank to court to challenge the document release. She argued the contract did not sanction the return of documents without an actual default, and that the liquor license provision, along with the default notice, were ambiguously phrased. Furthermore, she claimed the time frame provided was inadequate for correcting the default, and the supporting affidavit was inadequate. In a noteworthy ruling, the Montana Supreme Court held in favor of the bank. The court agreed with the lower tribunal's summary judgment and found no breach of fiduciary duty on the bank's part. The court clarified that the role of the bank as an escrow agent was strictly to fulfill the particulars outlined in the escrow agreement. This included the release of any retained documents upon demand from the patrons in the event of a default, without investigating the legality or adequacy of the demand. Thus, in spite of the arguments by Miss Turbiville, the court maintained that the bank was not culpable for the non-notification prior to releasing the documents. In this chain of events, however peculiar, the court affirmed that the bank had not overstepped its duty as stated in the escrow agreement, indisputably bringing the matter to a close.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.